So it's one of the big updates we've been waiting for on the Alientech KESS3. We've now got data logging live on the KESS3, and this is a really big update. Not only does it cover a huge range of channels for particular vehicles that you're looking at logging, but it also gives you information like the refresh rate, so you can see when you're logging a lot of channels if it's going to impact the speed of those logs. You can select up to 5 live channels to view on the screen, but up to 44 additional channels to actually log within the data. This particular vehicle shown us 46, and this of course is the SID 212 in the Ford Ranger. So that was a huge release last week from the Alientech Suite, and now we've got data logging as well. So while this vehicle isn't even supported for OBD tuning yet, we can actually live data log this vehicle. So we've selected a number of channels, and we can see on the screen, as we'll show that in a moment for you, the live data coming through now. So we've got things like RPM, flow rate of the air, fuel rail pressure, intake manifold pressure, and just from a simple rev, we can see the live data changing on the screen. It's an instant recording on there, really quick refresh rate. So that's enough of me talking. I'm going to close the door. I'm going to safely pull out now, and we're going to go and do a live log on the road. And we're going to factor that into our live training video that we're going to do later this week. So a full explanation of how you go from start to finish, recording the data, obviously setting the vehicle up, how you can use those markers on your video as well. So when you're recording, just hit the enter key and it'll put a little timestamp marker in there, so you can go back to your logs for a specific event that you want to look at in more detail. So nothing left to do now. We'll get a road test, and the full training video and explanation will be with you in a few days. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the new video.